What's going on, everybody? Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. I want to talk about rust removal and concrete cleaning. When we do an estimate, if we notice, looks like there's a little bit orange tinge to concrete, we're going to explain to the customer, hey, when we clean this, we're going to get the dirt, the green, the grime off of it. What we use, using water and the different soaps we use, will not impact or remove any rust. Sometimes you can get a decent idea to see, hey, this is how much we should charge for the rust removal on this. Sometimes you don't. A lot of times, and as black as this sidewalk was, I could tell that there was some rust over here. You can see what we've got here. But again, this whole area, you could see a little bit that this was orange, but you couldn't see if it was the whole area. This would be for us, and sorry, let's make sure we can actually see it all. We would usually charge $75 to $100 for removing that rust. But you also look up here and you can see there's some tinges of it in there. So we could take this whole thing and we would, brighten all of it, quite frankly. So that at that point, then we're now looking at closer to $300 for that rust removal. So make it clear with your customers that rust removal is not included with it. You'd love to give them a price, but you need to see how it responds first before you can give them that price. That will save you. Just making sure it's very clear with the customer. Otherwise, they may think that it's included, and it's not. So have a great day.